One of the things that the communities have been faced with historically in program design and new initiatives, it's always been kind of a cookie cutter approach. With the family well-being program, the communities have had the opportunity to design what they're doing and how they're supporting their families in a way that makes sense to them, as opposed to trying to fit within a prescriptive box of what a service model looks like or service delivery looks like.
What I love about this program is the flexibility that we had at the very beginning to design a program that would address our community's needs, right from the individual to families, and then looking at the community as a whole.
People are gravitating towards the program because it facilitates environments where it's safe and inviting. And we've seen such great positive outcomes in such a short period of time. Qualitative data such as, I'm able to communicate with my children again, or, I'm able to connect with my community. I understand where I come from, my identity is here.
There's a lot of clients that I am currently supporting right now. They have professional service providers. They'll have a doctor, a counselor, therapist, but they'll also be working with me, and we'll look more into culture. And that's really big within Tungasuvvingat Inuit in the family well-being program, because we're Inuit helping Inuit. We have lots of country food at our events. Sometimes we'll have a full seal come in, and TI will let the community know. That's something that brings the community together.
One outcome that family well-being has really allowed us to capitalize on is province-wide making our hubs more vibrant, more welcoming. That's creating a better cultural place that's safer and more welcoming, and just a better spot for anybody within the full spectrum of health, healing, and wellness to be.
Our community is very, very focused on land-based activities now. We see the power of the land and its ability to heal trauma and to address addictions and even family violence.
One day I was leaving the building and this elderly lady come to me and put her hand on me and took my hand and held on tight, and she said, thank you, I need this. And the minimal words were said, but I knew, right? She had been a residential school survivor. We are now connecting our youth and our seniors. We're going back to old ceremonies that we used to do and coming together as a community.
We did a walk last November to bring awareness to domestic abuse. We had over 100 people, which was wonderful. And we walked a couple of kilometers to have that many people participate in a November day, and it was actually the men who carried the banner. If you are going to reduce family violence, you have to involve everybody, and that's one of the things that the Family Wellbeing Program has been able to do. They can work with all of the different agencies and pull everybody together.
I really think that in order for our families to be well, they have to be connected. And if you're connected to the culture, you're connected to the land, the language is very important. You'll see improvement in the community's well-being.
It's all about bringing families together, developing those bonds between parents, their children, their grandparents, all the aunts and uncles, developing healthy relationships. I believe that's what the Family Wellbeing Program is all about.